Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be my October favorites. I haven't filmed a favorites video in a while, so I'm kind of excited to sit down and talk about some brand new products that I haven't talked about here on my channel. So before we get into it, I would love if you would consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. I hope you guys will find something here that looks interesting to you. And if you do decide to shop anything from this video, or just in general, you guys, we're getting closer to the holidays. And if you are not taking advantage of cash back, then you are missing out. Speaking of, this video is kindly sponsored by GoCashBack, which is a great website to use for cash back on your purchases. If you guys don't know this, you are missing out. I have had a reminder set on my phone for the longest time to remember to take advantage of cash back when I'm shopping, because you can save a lot of money in the long run and it really adds up. So I will show you guys in a bit how to sign up. You can download the Google extension on a desktop, or you can download the app on your phone. If you sign up with the link or the code in my description box, you get an $8 sign up bonus, which is great, some free coin. And also, you guys, even if you don't shop from this video, Sephora has their holiday savings event coming up, and I'm doing a whole video on my recommendations for hair products. So I don't know if that video will be up before this video or after this video, but I will try to remember to link it in the cards so you guys can check that out as well. I'm sure a lot of you are planning to shop the VIB sales, so why not take advantage of cashback if you're going to be shopping anyway. If you do choose to download the Google extension on your computer, it will automatically activate cashback earnings on your purchases. You don't even have to think about it, you just save money while you're shopping. They also do monthly giveaways for GoCashBack users, so it's definitely worth checking out. I will put up the clip and show you guys how to sign up and all of that good stuff. All right, so it's all pretty self-explanatory. You have PayPal, check, gift card, and HelaPay, I think that's how you say it, as cashback withdrawal options. And you also have higher cashback rates for popular stores, which is great. You can also use cashback in conjunction with the individual merchants' discount codes to save even more money. Everything you need to sign up and shop will be linked in the description box below. And again, like I said before, if you sign up with my link or use the code in my description box, you'll get an $8 registration bonus. So definitely take advantage of that. Thank you so much to GoCashBack for working with me on this video. And let's go ahead and get into my favorites. Okay, I had to pause filming for a bit, but we're back. And I have to tell you guys, I have some body care favorites, more than usual, I guess, this month, because I have been getting more into body care. I made a new TikTok account. If you guys want to check it out, I'll have it linked down below. That is more focused on like sort of what my second channel is about, like fragrance and stuff, but then like body care and things like that mixed in a lot. So anyways, I have a few to share with you guys. First one is truly an obsession. This is by EOS. This was like TikTok viral. It's very popular, but if you guys haven't heard about this, you must know. It is their 24-hour moisture body lotion in the scent Vanilla Cashmere. They have other scents too, but this is the best one. If you like gourmand sweet scents, you guys, this smells incredible. Oh my gosh, it literally gives me goosebumps. It's like the perfect texture for what I like in a lotion. It sinks into the skin, but it still leaves me feeling moisturized. Like it doesn't just disappear. It's luxurious, it's affordable, it smells incredible. It literally smells like vanilla cream cheese frosting, like that you put on a vanilla cupcake. Oh my gosh, it's delicious. If you have not tried this, you must at least just smell it. It's not just the smell, the formula is also incredible. So I definitely recommend checking this out. If you want something that isn't like as scented, which that's not like a strong overpowering scent, but this is a lot more mild. And this is a similar texture, but a little bit more lightweight because it technically is a baby lotion. This is the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Chamomile and Argan Oil Baby Lotion, but it's not like so lightweight that you can't feel it moisturizing. It still does a really good job, and it smells a lot lighter. It's just a very faint, almost like sweet cream kind of scent, like a little bit of that sweetness, but it's not like a vanilla or like a gourmand. It's just like yeah, like I said, kind of smells like a light sweet cream. And this one is also very affordable. I think they're around the same price point. And if I want something that's going to pair really well with a lot of different scents, because it's just not an overpowering scent at all, this is great. It goes with pretty much everything. I can't believe this isn't popular. It's completely slept on and underrated. Even though it is a baby lotion, like this is totally great to use as an adult. And I think more people should talk about this formula because it's top notch. Like, I would definitely say these are my 2 favorite formulas and scents for like a body lotion right now. So had to mention those. And then I have a couple more body care items, but let's mix it up and go into some of my other things so you don't have to watch like the entire video to get to these other ones. Let's talk about a hair care favorite. I know that I just reviewed the Rizos Curls stylers in my last video, but that video was actually pre-filmed and it's been a few weeks and I've been trying this out on my hair since then and I'm kind of obsessed. This is the Rizos Curls Refresh and Detangle Spray. I've been using this with other stylers, so I feel like I've gotten a chance to try it out more, whereas like the gel and the cream, I still have to keep trying out on my hair, although I do like them, but I'm going to have to keep seeing, you know. This, I feel like I've tried out more so I can give more of my opinion on it, and I really, really like this. This is such a good leave-in, even though it's technically called the Refresh and Detangle Spray. Like, you could use it to detangle, to refresh your curls, to use it as a leave-in. Like, that's how I've been using it, and I really like it like that because it's super moisturizing. It's lightweight, but still has like a milky consistency. It's not like clear. It smells so good. It's like a fresh, slightly like unisex, almost cologne-y scent, but like mixed with a little bit of a sweetness, and it's light. It's not too like intense or anything, so don't think like cologne, but it smells really, really good. And the thing I love about this so much is the mister, because a lot of the time with a spray leave-in, it's either going to be like a clear, watery consistency, or if it is a milkier consistency like this, it's a little bit hard to spray into your hair because it kind of just like shoots out and it's too thick to really evenly distribute with a sprayer, if that makes sense. So I will often like have to put products like this into my hand, which you can still totally do with this, but you don't have to. Like, you can just go ahead and spray it right on your hair because the mister on this is so fine. I'm not going to spray it right now because it's like a milky leave-in and I don't want to get it like on my carpet or anything, but it's such a fine mister. It's so enjoyable to use. Like I said, it smells really good. It's moisturizing. It's very versatile. You can use it for whatever you want. So if you want something that is a little bit more of that milky, thicker consistency in a leave-in, but is still very lightweight and very easy to use, this is your girl. It's so good, and I can't wait to keep using it more because I think this is going to be like a go-to product for me in my routine, and I feel like I've been missing out all this time, so I definitely feel confident recommending this. I have to talk about my newest purchase from Fawn Beauty. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you probably saw I picked up this Fawn Beauty Recovery and Glow Lip Oil. I've talked about their glosses on here for a while. I'm obsessed. Such beautiful glosses, definitely on the more affordable side, and this lip oil is just another new obsession of mine. So it smells really, really good as well. It kind of almost reminds me of like a little bit of like a toasted marshmallow type of scent, like sweet, with like a little bit, like a little hint of coconut or something in there, but not like too much. It's delicious, and it's just so glossy and juicy on the lips. It makes your lips feel really moisturized, and it lasts because it's a little bit of a thicker consistency, but nothing too heavy. Like, it still feels lightweight. It leaves your lips shiny, but it is a little bit thicker than like their glosses, so it stays on your lips longer, and I really appreciate that. I think the packaging is stunning on this, so cute, and this is like my go-to new favorite lip oil right now. I haven't been really using anything else. I keep it in my purse. I'm obsessed, so I had to mention that. And then something that I am very excited about, and I think I'm going to be doing a whole video on this once I'm further along in the process, but I've been trying out the Babe Lash Serum, which is actually something that I heard about from Katie Fawn, which is the owner of Fawn Beauty. I love her channel. I'm obsessed. I'll try to remember to leave it linked down below. But she talked about this Babe Lash Serum, and she has gorgeous lashes. And I've really been wanting to try out a lash serum for a long time. So I actually reached out to them because I really wanted to try this. They sent me it to try out, and I think I'm going to do a whole video like on my results from start to finish and like before and afters once I'm done with this first bottle of it. And I'm already seeing results, you guys. Like, it's been a couple weeks and I can definitely see that I have just more lashes. Like, yes, they're getting longer as well, but I feel like I have more of them. Like, they're getting thicker, which is amazing. Who doesn't want that? So very excited to see how the results are in the end. But like I said, I can already see a difference, so this had to be in my favorites video. Let me know if you guys would be interested in that video because I am excited for that. All right, you guys, I have a makeup product, and then the rest of these are more like that body care type stuff. This is the Makiage and Kathleen Lights collaboration palette. This is like my go-to perfect palette. It's all I've been using since I got it. Yes, there is some color in here, but it's not anything too crazy. And you have like mostly neutrals with just a few pops of color. And this is the type of thing where you can do like one like shade eyeshadow looks, really, really pretty, or you can blend one of these like on your lower lash line for just a little pop of color, or you don't even have to use them. There's like 4 shades there that aren't completely neutral, and the rest are like the perfect neutral shades that you need for every day and for more glam looks. Like, you have cool tones and warm tones, which is what I need in a palette. Like, I need to have a mixture of both because I'm not really into the super warm tones, but I don't want like grays either. I like them to be in the middle. So they're sort of in the middle, but there's still ones that are leaning more cool and ones that are leaning more warm, which is amazing. It is a little bit pricey, but you guys, it's really good quality eyeshadows, like top notch, a big mirror, like good quality. You can use this to travel. You don't need any other mirror. Like, just everything about this palette is incredible and I'm obsessed with it. I'm pretty sure this wasn't limited edition. Pretty sure you can still get it, but I will check for you guys because that would really suck if I'm talking about it in this video and you wouldn't be able to get your hands on it anymore. I just had to mention it because it's the only thing I've been using. So back to body care. This body care item is a revelation, to be honest. I have heard a few people talk about this scent and saying it's like a dupe for the Sol de Janeiro Shea 62. And I'm not kidding, you guys. They're not lying. This is the Tree Hut Tropic Glow Sugar Scrub. I love the Tree Hut scrubs. I always repurchase them in so many different scents, and this is such a good one. It really does have that Shea 62 scent. And I think they also have the matching cream of this, which I haven't tried, but if it smells like this, it's going to be a close dupe. I don't know if people are like gatekeeping this and that's why it's not talked about more. I've just seen like a few videos like here and there on TikTok and stuff, but if you want something affordable and you want like that experience, this is it. Tree Hut Tropic Glow. They have other products in this scent as well, and I highly recommend checking it out because not everyone has $40 to drop on a body cream, and I know they have like so many products in that scent. So this is something that I should have bought ages ago. I don't know why I didn't. I saw someone talk about this like a year or two ago and never ended up picking it up. This is like a body scrubber that you use in the shower. It's silicone and it's very like bendable and like not harsh or stiff at all. It's not like the silicone scalp scrubbers that you see a lot, which those are great for your scalp, but they're definitely not like bendable and flexible like this. This is very like soft on your body, but still like does a little bit of like scrubbing to where it like cleans you really well. And it like lathers up your body washes really nicely. It's all I've been using to shower. I'm kind of obsessed with it. I feel like it's such a basic staple that you just need in your life. So if you haven't picked up one of these, definitely go pick it up. Also pick up a scalp brush if you haven't, because those are life-changing. But I've talked about the scalp scrubbers on my channel forever, so you can get both of them on Amazon for like $6, $7, $8. So definitely a great investment, something I recommend. Okay guys, I'm talking about a deodorant, and guess what? It's not native. Shocker. I know you guys know, if you watch my channel, I talk about native deodorants all the time. I'm obsessed, they're great. But I do recognize that not everyone wants to spend $12 on a deodorant every time, especially if you go through it a little bit quicker like me. Like, I tend to go through deodorant pretty quickly. They do have really good scents. I still love native, still use them, but I recently discovered this Hey Humans brand. Don't know why they haven't been talked about more. They're completely underrated. And I feel like I've never found another deodorant brand besides Native that actually works that well. And this actually works that well. Like, it's the only deodorant that works as good as Native, in my personal opinion, that I've tried from like all the different brands I've tried. And that's aluminum free. I'm saying, like, if you're looking for a natural aluminum free deodorant, which I'm guessing if you know about Native or use Native that you would. If you want a more affordable option, I think this is like $5 or $6 and it's so good. It's plastic free also. It just comes in this like cardboard packaging, but it like holds up very well and it is durable. I haven't had any trouble with mine and I'm almost out of this one. This is the coconut mint scent, which is incredible. It's mostly minty, but it does have a little bit of like a coconut vibe in there. It's not too overpowering. It's a very soft scent, goes with basically everything, and the formula is incredible. They do have some other scents, but this one is my favorite. I highly recommend this if you guys are looking for a deodorant brand that works as good as Native, that's more natural, and you don't feel like anything works, but you don't want to spend the money on Native all the time. Check out Hey Humans. I want to talk about something that everyone's been talking about, and I have taken so long to pick these up, and I don't know why, because they're incredible. They look like scrunchies, but they're actually like soft wristbands that you put on your wrists when you're washing your face in the sink so that the water doesn't run down your arms. You guys know if you wash your face in the sink how annoying that is. Just gets everywhere and makes a mess. Like, it's still, if you're really messy, it's still gonna get on like your sink and maybe like around your countertop a little bit, but this keeps it from running down your arms and getting all over your clothes, and that's like so annoying. So this has been game changing for me. I don't know why it took me so long to pick these up. The hype is real, and I feel like I can take more time and enjoy my skincare more. So I got like a 6-pack on Amazon, I think, for, I don't know, like around $10 or so. Anyways, that is like all of the physical products I had to share with you guys. I know I didn't have any like fashion pieces this month, which I usually do. I do have some things that are newer to me. I will say I did get some Abercrombie jeans that are probably what I'm the most obsessed with. They have incredible jeans. Like, I looked at a lot of them and they're super cute. Yes, they're a little pricey, but if you get them on sale, I totally feel like it's worth it. They're really good quality, and the ones that I purchased are like the Curve Love straight leg that are super popular, and those are very flattering. I wear them all the time. So anyways, I don't know why I didn't just grab them for the video, but I kind of forgot about them for a minute, and I also just feel like I've been liking a lot of things from Abercrombie and didn't want to like talk about everything. Anyways, I'm just rambling at this point, you guys. That's gonna be it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much again to GoCashBack for working with me. If you guys are not taking advantage of that, you're missing out, because it's literally basically free money. So also don't forget to subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.